Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you my version of the chopped cheese sandwich. The ingredients that we're going to need today are ketchup, mayonnaise, adobo all-purpose seasoning, olive oil, iceberg lettuce. I have Italian sub rolls, tomato, butter, American cheese, and a pound of ground beef. Okay guys, I thinly sliced my iceberg lettuce and also my tomatoes. So all I'm going to do now is just sprinkle some adobo over top of the tomatoes to give it a little bit extra flavor. Next, in a heated pan, you want to add a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now you want to take your ground beef. We're going to place it into our pan and we're just going to press it down. All you want to do is flatten it out. Okay guys, once you have it all flattened out, we're going to go ahead in with our adobo all-purpose seasoning. Okay guys, now all you want to do is just go ahead and start breaking the ground beef apart. Guys, I'm not using onion in this recipe, but if you are, you want to dice it and just pull your meat to the side. You want to put your onion right here and let it cook in with it. Okay guys, now you want to taste your ground beef and make sure you have enough of the seasoning in. So now you can turn off the heat, and all we're going to do now is place our cheese on top to melt. Once you place your cheese on top, you can now put a piece of aluminum foil or a lid over top so it can melt. Okay guys, in a separate pan I put some butter. What I'm going to do now is toast my sub roll. So we're going to go ahead and let that get a little crispy. We're going to do that for each side. I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over. Now I'm toasting the inside. As you can hear, it's nice and crispy. Once your roll is toasted, I'm just going to go in with some mayonnaise. I'm going to put it on both sides. Next, you want to go ahead and add some ketchup. Next, you add in your ground beef mixture. Then I'm going to go ahead and start to put my tomatoes on. And also my shredded lettuce. Now guys, you're going to get a piece of parchment paper and we are going to begin to wrap our chopped cheese sandwich. Once you have it wrapped, let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay guys, and here's our chopped cheese sandwich. Look how delicious that looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.